In this guide, I'll walk you through how to connect cameras and microphones in our Live Studio module. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use various devices to enhance your live streams or recordings. Connecting a webcam. To connect a webcam, go to your sources and click Add Source. Select your webcam as the camera, and if needed, the built-in microphone of your computer as the microphone. This is perfect for quick and simple setups. Connecting external cameras and audio mixers. If you have an external camera, connect it via USB to your computer. You can also connect an audio mixer with a USB connection to integrate higher quality audio. Using a capture card for non-USB cameras. For cameras without USB connectivity, use a capture card to convert the video signal, often coming from an HDMI output, to USB. Capture cards come in various brands and support different resolutions and operating systems like Mac, Windows, or Linux, so choose one that suits your setup. Participating via mobile devices. You can join Live Studio from a mobile device. Use a browser like Chrome, whether on your phone or computer. Grant permissions to access the camera and microphone. The platform will automatically adjust the window to your camera's orientation, whether vertical or horizontal, ensuring a smooth experience. Multiple inputs in Live Studio. In Live Studio, you can use multiple inputs simultaneously. For example, combine your built-in webcam with an external webcam and a capture card. Add an audio mixer or other sources like virtual audio or video inputs. You can also connect video mixing consoles, such as the Blackmagic ATEM, which has a USB output compatible with our Live Studio. This setup lets you manage multiple video and audio sources with ease. With these steps, you can connect a variety of cameras, microphones, and other devices to create professional and dynamic content using Live Studio. Thank you for watching, and happy streaming!